When you're organising your cocktail parties, you want to be at the forefront. So I've created this great mocktail, which is called the on-trend. It means you're ahead of the game, you're creating some cutting-edge mocktails for your guests. So I'm going to start off with some delicious strawberries. So I'm going to get 3. Just going to chop the ends off. Cut them in half. And put them in here. So we're just going to give it a quick muddle. Like so. We're going to add a little bit of cranberry juice. And some lemon juice. Just going to juice that in there. And last but not least, some raspberries. Strawberries and raspberries go beautifully together. So there's 3 raspberries, 3 strawberries, some cranberry juice, and just a little bit of sweetener, just a touch of honey. So I'm going to shake this up. Just going to add some ice. And give it a shake. Just going to get my chilled cocktail glass. And fine strain into your glass. Just get a really nice, rich strawberry colour. Just going to lengthen that with a little bit of ginger ale. And garnish it with a nice strawberry. And there we go. Mocktail, the on-trend. Enjoy. My tips for the on-trend cocktail is always think about seasonal fruits. You know, we're in the midst of our summer here and I'm using some delicious strawberries that are locally grown. But also with the cocktail I've made today of the strawberries, raspberries, honey and cranberry juice, topped with ginger ale, if you add a nice little shot and a shot and a half of vodka in the same ingredients, you'll make a cracking drink too.